In this lesson, we will see together le passé simple, but more precisely when it is used to express a one-off event, limited duration, or succession of events. So we will see some examples, but then let's remember that it is possible, yes, to use le passé simple to express a one-off event, a limited duration, or a succession of events. Passé simple, the main thing that you need to remember is that we use it extremely rarely, but it has the same values as the passé composé. The only difference between the two of them is that it's not connected at all to the present as the passé composé is. And then the second thing is that you will, in most of the cases, never use it actively, but you need to know le passé simple and you need to recognize it. So let's see a few examples now. Il fut le premier homme à marcher sur la Lune. Il fut le premier homme à marcher sur la Lune. So clearly in that case, we're talking about the one-off event. This is the verb être. Verb être in the passé simple, third person of the singular, il fut. Elle prit conscience de la complexité de la situation. Elle prit conscience de la complexité de la situation. Same thing here, it's a one-off event, and the verb is prendre, third person of the singular, elle prit. Il fut le premier homme à marcher sur la Lune. Elle prit conscience de la complexité de la situation. Il mit 3 heures pour achever son tableau. So now we're in this limited duration. Il mit 3 heures pour achever son tableau. The verb is mettre, passé simple, third person of the singular, il mit. Elle rentra chez elle et décida d'aller se coucher. Elle rentra chez elle et décida d'aller se coucher. So as you can see in that situation, we are in the succession of events in the past. First verb here is rentrer, passé simple, third person of the singular. Elle rentra. Then the verb is décider, third person of the singular, elle décida. Il mit 3 heures pour achever son tableau. Elle rentra chez elle et décida d'aller se coucher. So keep in mind that passé simple will be used also to express a one-off event, a limited duration, or a succession of events in the past.